What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here in the garage, man. We got the doors up on the i8, man. We got the freaking engine light of death. We got that refill coolant sign that's infamous. Not infamous, but you really don't want that on a foreign car. It says refill coolant, low coolant level. On an i8, that's the last thing you want, but no big deal, man. Our guy i8 Pat over at Pat's Garage showed us how to open the hood on this thing and check the coolant level, because I just remembered on our BMW 3 Series, we have that same issue. Like, the refill coolant light comes on randomly and it's never low. So I'm trying to see if that's the case here. Hopefully it is the case, but if it's not, then we'll be having to take it to the shop and have them do it. But without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We already got this thing pulled in here. Let's pop this hood and get it going. All right, so I got so much space over here. Let's see if the doors can go up over here. Do you guys think we got enough space? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, sir. We barely got enough space, but that's how it be, man. So the whole thing we gotta do, guys, come over here, take this little thing out on both sides, and then it'll be a latch to pull the hood, because as you guys know, the i8 BMW doesn't want you to open the hood on these things. So once we pop both of these clips, we'll be able to pop the hood. Pat says we need 2 people to do it, but I only have one of me here, so I'm hoping we don't damage anything. We should be good, though. I got some long arms, so if anything, I'll grab it from the center and see if we can get it done, man. But let's try to pop this hood real quick and get it going. Alrighty, Pat, you got us going, my guy. All right, so we got that engine, that low coolant. So this is actually the one they're referring to, and it is actually really, really low. It's supposed to be at least like half. So now, usually on any other regular car, you would just open this up, freaking put some fluid in there, but this one is like a vacuum or whatever. So definitely you want a dealer to do it, because they got it's like pressurized. So I don't want to put nothing in there and then overheat my engine. So I think I'm gonna be good on that one, but does look good with the hood and stuff up, man. We'll see, though. Probably have to take it to the shop, unfortunately, but at least we know how to pop open the hood and check the normal stuff, because I thought it was just a sensor like the other car. But we'll see, man, what y'all think, though. Let me know in the comments below. But now that we know our coolant is low, we'll take it into the shop tomorrow. But I'll charge it up now, so we don't have to use the engine at all. That's the benefits of a hybrid, man. You can go all electric, then you ain't got to use the motor. So we'll plug it up and get some juice in this joint. Got that hood back closed. Everything looking good. It's like, man, either you gonna freaking cry about it or freaking deal with it, man. I actually really love this car, and I enjoy it. So it's not really a big deal to me. And then most of this stuff, freaking Pat has already went through and stuff. So I'm digging it, man. I can't wait to throw my little taste and my flavor on it, man. What color would y'all wrap this thing? I like this grayish, blackish, but it's like too subtle for me, man. Man, next morning here, it's Monday, man. It's the start of a new week. Antonio did hit us over the weekend. Said he did have these parts of the orange one done. So my plan is to pretty much load this orange one up onto the truck, take it down to the city, leave it down there until later on in the week when we take the black one. Then we can drop them both off at the same time, and then at the same time free up some space in our garage, because literally we need to get these things out. This blue one is getting ready for shipping. We'll have that wheel on there probably tomorrow. The tires are already down there. However, they are closed on Monday, so we'll be getting that wheel and that 21 all tackled and complete tomorrow. So hopefully that blue one will be out of here, headed to Arkansas this week, along with these other bikes, man. getting ready to get out of here, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I got to get this garage situated, get these bikes lined up right so we can get up out of here and get loaded up. Meanwhile, we do have the i8 back there we have to take to BMW because we do have that low coolant light. We popped the hood yesterday, and I think it was freaking low. Also, we do got to get an oil change on the truck before we head to the city, man, because we didn't drive that thing to Arkansas back and everything, man. So without further ado, let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we got this orange one pulled up, ready to get on the truck and head to the city. We got our i8 charging up so we don't have to use that motor engine. So we can charge it up while we go drop off our truck to go get an oil change, come back, take this one. By the time we take this one and drop it off, our truck should be done. We'll come back and load this thing up, man. So let's get it. We just pulled up to the Ford dealer, about to get this oil change and get our fluids changed up real quick. This thing is looking amazing though. Like, I can't even hold you. The i8 is lovely, but it's nothing like a freaking Raptor, dog. Nothing like a Raptor. I would give my i8 up before I give my Raptor up. But this thing is nice, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Best part about coming here is you get to get like some espressos and stuff like that. I like the French vanilla, man. So we gonna enjoy now. Alrighty, man, we done made it back to the crib. Now it's time to disconnect you and take this bad boy to the shop. I know we got the haters out there like, man, see, I told you so. I told you so. But, you know, it's different when you really want it and you really enjoy it, you know? Just pulled up to Beamer, man. Let's see if we get lubed and all that. But we're gonna get it going, man. Y'all see the good background behind it. Hey, I'm digging it. Can't wait to get it back, man. Let me know some color ideas in the comments below. Might have to get Mama the i8, or they got this one. I think I might get her this one. I ain't gonna hold you. This one fly. I think when we pick up the car, we might get this one. Oh yeah, definitely need it. We done came inside. We seen this Rari just sitting right here. I'm like, what the heck? I didn't even realize what it was. 2017 Ferrari 488, $309,000. Wow, that's a whole lot of car. Whole lot of car, whole lot of, that's like a house. Nice freaking Rari. I'm digging it. The interior could be a lot more colorful for me, you know, at 300K. But you know, if you like it, I love it. I love the pipes on the back. Got the little camera down there, so you got that 360 view. That's pretty sick. Does it have like a screen? I guess the screen will pop up closer to the driver. Pretty cool little car though. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. But oh my God, now, to be honest with you, before I was going to get the i8, I was actually looking at this BMW M8 competition package. Now, not this one in particular, but this one does look freaking amazing. Like, this color is sick. Now, I would do the i8 this type of blue. This blue looks great. Same with like the titanium grayish grille. Looks fly. How much they want for this, man? $135,000. Yeah, the one oh, that's a 2022. That's why. That's a 2022. Yeah, the one I was looking at was about a 18, 19, maybe even 20. But this one is freaking nice. Love the pipes on there, man. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, man, you gotta make it work for you, man. I took the Raptor to the shop, took the RA to the shop. Didn't bring a bike or nothing. My girl's still asleep. Man, I feel like I'm in high school on the city bus again, dog. I actually enjoy this little ride right here because it definitely humbles you. Show you where you started from, man. Never forget where you started, but always remember where you going, man. You already know, man. It's time to go up, man. Yes, sir, guys. We are on the bus right here. All right, man. Back in the wrap. We on our way to the house. About to load this bike up and hit the road, Jack. Alrighty, man. We done made it back to the crib. Y'all know the routine. Let's get this thing loaded up, dog. Alrighty, man, y'all know what time it is. Gas station, demolish my pockets time, man. Freaking, we got this thing loaded up though. Everything checks out. Everything is tight. Good to go. So we gonna slide, man. Alrighty, guys. Got the CVO down here in the city. Now, when we come back down, we should have both bikes and deliver them both. About to go pick up them bags from Antonio, see what they looking like. Just pulled up to Tony Yo's. Tony Yo. Yes, sir. What's up, man? What's good? Tony Yo. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh, you already wrapped it? Yeah. Oh, okay. And so we got all that good stuff back there. It's already packaged up. So I took one piece apart. And definitely looks way darker. Like this one's gonna be spot on. It should be like really, really spot on. So I'm real confident that this thing is gonna match up now, man. So typically I would go back over there where the bike is now, but it's already pretty much getting late. I didn't bring a cover or nothing to put under the bag while I am assembling it. So I'm probably just assemble it at the house and then bring it down later on next week. So that way we don't really got to deal with it. But y'all see what's going on, man. It's next morning here. I know this video is all over the place, but hey, it is what it is, man. We made it back to the crib. Only got 3 bikes in our garage now. Today we should be going to check out the Road Glide. Hopefully that thing is done today. But if not, no big deal. The black one here, we will be getting the wheels and stuff situated today. So this one will pretty much be done today. This one is already done. We should be able to get the 21 mounted for this blue bike as well. So everything in the garage should be done today, man. So we're going to see what's cracking, dog. Meanwhile, if you guys are interested in this 2017 Road King Special on them things, man, we literally only got 43 hats available for your chance to enter for that giveaway, man. So don't hesitate, man. This Harley Davidson could be yours, man. Never underestimate yourself and always believe, man. So if you guys are interested in the giveaway, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and grab your camo hat, and that will be your entry into the giveaway, man. Because like I said, we only got 43 caps left. So it looks like we might be going live Friday if everything works out well. So we'll see, man. Stay tuned. If you guys haven't, enter right now. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We did a bunch of stuff. We hopped in pretty much every car today. Got the bike transported to the city, man. So now it's literally just time to finish this stuff up so we can get it going and clear out this garage, man. I'm trying to get everybody their bikes, if not this week, the beginning of the next week, man. So just trying to get it out of here, dog. But if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are interested in the giveaway, man, the 2017 Road King Special giveaway is live, man. We literally only have 43 caps at this time I'm saying this. So maybe by the time I'm editing it'll go lower. And then when you guys actually see the video and it goes live, it'll be even lower. So man, don't hesitate. Don't wait to the last minute. Enter the giveaway today, man. I appreciate your support. Thanks everybody out there for watching today. But yeah, man, about to get up here and get this day started so we can get going, man. So with that being said, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.